Good morning everyone, I'm Dominika from Mext and this is a new episode of Mext Weekly News. Attention teachers and educators, 2025 is here and it's your year to take education to the next level.
Get ready to elevate your teaching game with the power of Mext Metaverse and 3D digital spaces. Let's revolutionize the way we learn, engage, and inspire. In today's tech-driven world, children are already embracing new technologies from a young age. Video games have become second nature to them, so why not harness that same excitement for education? With Mext, teachers can easily integrate 3D interactive environments into their curriculum, making learning more engaging, interactive, and effective. The Mext platform allows educators to effortlessly create immersive, gamified learning experiences. Here's why Mext is a game changer for teachers. Quick and easy setup, build 3D spaces in minutes to enhance any lesson plan. User-friendly, no special skills needed, any teacher can do it. Immersive learning, make learning fun with 3D environments, avatars, and virtual reality tools. Flexible use, perfect for virtual classes, in-person lessons, or hybrid setups. Engage students, gamify your curriculum to keep students motivated and boost knowledge retention. Data-driven insights, track student progress, and personalize learning journeys. Cost-effective, tailored subscription plans designed to fit school budgets. Empower your students with next-level learning experiences by embracing the future of education through Mext.
So at this point, let me remind you that our educational weekly workshop is back. Be ready to build your personalized interactive 3D space.
Think creating your own interactive 3D space sounds too complicated? Don't worry, we make it easy and stress-free. We're thrilled to be back with all our exciting activities, including our highly popular weekly workshops designed just for you. If you're worried about the challenges of creating your space, rest assured. Our experienced team will guide you step by step, answer all your questions, and provide all the support you need. We'll be by your side as your trusted helper and assistant, ensuring your success every step of the way. Join us at our workshop and see just how simple and fun it can be to bring your vision to life. Your space, your ideas, brought to life with expert guidance.
And that's all for this weekly news. If you like this episode, hit the top icon, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you next Monday. Bye!